In this session, we are going to talk about changing your personal settings and the signature. Please click on the setup icon on the top, then click on personal settings, and here you can see all your personal settings. You can click on the local information. You can change the information based on your needs. Right, I like the 24 hours, the time zone, and you click save. This information will affect your calendar, so it's important. Now, here you can change also the information for your email address, your name, how it looks like, and so on. And then you click on save whenever you're done. And eventually you have the signature. So let's say that you like to have a signature that's saying thanks or regards, Lior Izik, amazing business results. Okay, so that will be my signature. Now, if you want to use it, and that's a very common question, if you click here on the settings and you click on templates, I'm going to create a new dummy template for the leads module, and it's going to be test, just so I can show you where the signature will take place. A first name. By the way, in order to create the first name, I just clicked on Shift 3, which is the number sign. Okay, and here it will be some content, and eventually I'm clicking again Shift 3, and I will have here the signature. Now let me show you how it really looks like. If I'm going to leads and I'm going to Tiger Woods and I'm clicking on send email, you can see that the information of my signature is pre-filled. Now if I will also choose a template, the test template, it will also pre-fill my information, my signature. So this is where the signature takes place. Let's go back to the personal settings. So that's really what you need to know about the personal settings and how to set up a signature. Now for the ones that like to change the view of the CRM, they can do it from the themes, and you can select different colors depending on your, how you want the system to look like, and it will look, with different colors. That's it. So I will see you at the next session.